How to fix Facebook video no sound on your Android or iOS. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such video sound problem on your Android device or iOS, it's basically same for both of the devices. So first thing first, just head over to your Facebook application itself and just open your Facebook videos just like this wherever you are facing your sound issue. So if it's only one issue, that means if you're only facing the sound problem on that particular video only, that means on only one video, then just check that if another video has sound or not. And if it's the only singular video which is not working, then there might be the sound problem on that particular video itself from the uploader. But if you are facing the sound problem on all of your videos, then you can just tap on this mute button over here, that is your volume icon, and see if it's or turn up your volume to unmute the video by checking your volume itself from over here by simply pressing on the volume icon itself. And once you make sure of that, and if it's still not working, then there might be the problem with the app itself. So first just head over to your settings, that is your device settings, and scroll all the way down until you see the apps option. And now simply search and locate the Facebook application. So I'll simply quickly do that and just head over to my Facebook application and simply scroll down and click on storage and just clear all the case and just restart the Facebook application, and it should work correctly. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.